Warm-up is definitely done now. Here's a go for a turkey. Dusting it off now. And now it's the time to go for a pickup. Let's see this. Clean up. Nice. The engine is running. A 3-bagger would make this place go crazy. And that's a strike. Pins are getting a beating. Here's a go for a home run. Beautiful 4-bagger. Hold on to your hats. I hope we'll see a 5-bagger. That's it. It's been a great show this far. I really hope we'll see a Bratburger. Trying to convert the 10th pin. Cleaned up on that one well. What a... The machine is starting. One more strike to a rhino. Beautiful double. Warm-up is definitely done now. This player is going for a 3-bagger. Bad luck. This player seems to have it all figured out. Boom! That's a strike. Great roll on last frame. I hope we'll see a double. Almost. Picking up pin 6. Pickup. Shot a Barney Rubble. Nice. The engine is humming. Here's a serious attempt for a 3-bagger. Cleaned up a strike. The engine is running. I hope we'll see a home run. 6er. And the 7th pin to convert. See another strike in a row from this player. Will we see a double? Oh, so close. The 8th pin to pick up. Spare. Up in the game with a strike. Magnificent. The last hit was very effective. It would be crazy to see a double. Trying to pick up pins 1 and 6. Got pin 6. Stunning double. Chance to get triple points. It would be crazy to see a 3-bagger. I hope this roll will be better. Pin 10 to convert. What a... Cleaned up on that one well. Continuing after awesome strike. I really hope we'll see a rhino. So close. Getting ready for a spare attempt. Cleaned up on that one well. Hold on to your hats. Hey, everyone wants to see a turkey. The 4th pin is looming at the other end of the lane. Good pickup. Turkey, Barney Rubble. Excitement is growing. A 3-bagger is the goal for this throw. It's a 3-bagger. Triple points at stake. I'm betting for a home run. So close. Rolling with pin 2. Spare. Roll. A strike. Moving on from a strike on previous attempt. A rhino attempt is on. Here we go. Picking up pins 1, 3, and 6. This player is becoming my idol. machine is starting. Next up is a rhino. Pins 1, 3, and 6 to pick up. Magnificent spare. Double. It's a strike. The points are soaring, but can this continue? Aiming for a 3-bagger. That left room for improvement. Pins 8 and 10 to pick up. Boom, that's a strike. Excitement is growing. This player is going for a 3-bagger. There's some cleaning up to do. That ended up in the gutter. The game is on. Listen to that. The crowd demands a turkey. Swanky. We are at it now. I hope we'll see a home run. Ooh, bowling is hard. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's some cleaning up to do. Cleared that one. Good. Triple points at stake. Here's a shot for a turkey. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's some cleaning up to do. Up in the game with a strike. Going strong. Looking for a 3-bagger. Scored a 3-bagger. Continuing after some heavy-duty frames. It would be crazy to see a home run. It's been strong for a few frames from this player. This player is going for a 5. Time to wear the game pants. I wouldn't be surprised to see a Bradbury. The 8th pin and the 10th pin is looming at the other end of the lane. Got pin 8. A stunning strike. Is another strike coming? It would be crazy to see Barney Rubble. Swanky Barney Rubble. Waiting to see yet another great throw. I wouldn't bet my life on a 3-bagger. Almost. What a show. Now we'll see an attempt to start a streak. But Barney Rubble or not, we'll see. Far out. Strike. It's been strong. Few frames from this player. A 3-bagger or not, we'll see. It's a strike. Going strong. Here's a serious attempt for a home run. Going strong. Holy Toledo, it would be crazy to see a 5-er. Let's see how the second throw goes. Hiccup. I think we all want to see this one play out well. I really hope we'll see it for turkey. Oh, so close. A small mistake there. Pin 2 looming at the other end of the lane. Swanky spare. Pin action in the previous frame. Here's a serious attempt for a Barney Rubble. Strike. Waiting to see yet another great throw. A turkey would make this place go crazy. Cleaning up the kingpin and 5-er. Spare. This never happens too often. Okay, that seemed to lack some coordination. A killer shot is needed here. Barney Rubble. The plane is about to fly. I wouldn't be surprised to see a turkey. That's it. Nice. The engine is humming. I'm all in for a 4-bagger. I hope this roll will be better. Trying to pick up pins 1, 2, and 7. Got the first pin. Continuing with it, Rhino. The streak is on. Looking for a turkey. Going strong with a three-bagger. Hold on to your hats. I'm all in for a ham bone. I hope this roll will be better. Pins 1 and 2. Needs cleaning. Cleared that one. The strike. Warm-up is definitely done now. This could end up a three-bagger. So close. Attempt to fix it now. Cleaning up pin 7. Spare. Barney Rubble. Great. You hear that? The engine is running. A three-bagger. Or a mental breakdown. We shall see. The points are soaring, but can this continue? Trying to make it a ham bone. Perky strike. This player seems to be getting warmed up. Here we are, trying to make it a fiver. Will it be yet another strike? This player is going for the six-bagger. Almost. Pin 10. Needs cleaning. Snazzy. Spare. Almost. This never happens too often. Ah! Pin 10. Needs cleaning. Funky. Cleanup. The engine is humming. A three-bagger would be more than welcome. Trying to pick up pin 2. Gorgeous. Spare. Going strong with a double. Warm-up is definitely done now. Holy Toledo, it would be crazy to see a three-bagger. The plane is about to fly. A ham bone would be more than welcome. So close. And now it's the time to go for a pickup. Let's see this. Sumptuous Rhino. Triple points at stake. Trying to make it a three-bagger. Hey, it's time to dust it off. Let's do this. Let's see how the second throw goes. Cleaned up on that one. Gorgeous. You hear that? The engine is humming. It would be crazy to see a turkey. Almost. And now it's the time to go for a pickup. Let's see this. Spare. The points are soaring, but can this continue? I wouldn't bet my life on a turkey. Trying to convert pins 1, 3, and 6. The engine is running. I'm all in for a turkey. Trying to smack down the 7th pin. Pickup. Cleaned up a double. It's been strong. Few frames from this player. The three-bagger or not. We'll see. The 7th pin needs cleaning. Swanky cleared that one. Cleaned up a Rhino. Triple points at stake. A three-bagger would make this place go crazy. Up in the game with a turkey. Looking forward to this throw. Here's a shot for a home run. Going strong. The crowd demands a five-bagger. So close. Pin 7 to clean up. Cleared that one.